This Tradingview indicator boasts 100% more accuracy than any other reversal indicator available. This remarkable indicator is entirely non-repaint and offers precise buy and sell signals for every trade. Utilizing a blend of multiple custom algorithms, mathematical operations, and advanced price action, it generates super precise signals that yield over 95% accurate trade opportunities. Today, we not only intend to provide guidance on using the indicator, but also on executing the best trades using our personal money management setup. We'll disclose the indicator's name at the video's conclusion, so make sure not to skip ahead and watch until the very end. Let's commence. Upon applying the indicator to your chart, you'll encounter a display of numerous lines and data. To engage with the scalping setup of this indicator, we must adjust its settings. Access the settings and under the Style tab, deselect all options except shape and labels. Alternatively, you can pause the video to capture these settings. Navigate to the Inputs tab and pay close attention. Alter the price setting from weighted to close. Scroll down to select the option encompassing MACD settings. Once complete, save the changes. Now that our configuration is set, let's explore how to execute precise reversal entries. Once the setup is complete, you'll encounter two types of signals. One comprises small red and green triangles, while the other consists of larger red and green diamonds. These prominent diamonds indicate three engulfing candles, one of the most effective candlestick patterns for identifying trend reversals. Observe this. When both these signals coincide, a perfect reversal point is demarcated. Whenever these signals align, a 95% reversal is indicated for a brief period. Trust my words, these signals are absolutely non-repaint. Buy setup. For an optimal buy setup, adhere to straightforward rules. Wait for the green triangle and diamond to concurrently form on the same candle. Once this criterion is met, execute your trade on the subsequent candle. This point consistently triggers a market reversal. Sell setup. To initiate a sound sell entry, meticulously follow the rules established in the buy setup. Ensure two signals align on the same candle. The red triangle and red diamond derived from the engulfing candle pattern. Place a trade on the ensuing candle, and a market reversal will materialize. Presented below are several instances of buy and sell setups, serving to enhance your comprehension of the requisite conditions for executing precise trades. Beyond this, it's imperative to factor in trade sessions and high volatility news, both of which significantly impact low timeframe scalping setups. Once a trade is initiated, the implementation of appropriate stop loss and take profit levels becomes paramount to optimize your profit potential. In the context of this indicator setup, we recommend positioning your stop loss in proximity to the recent swing high or low, while the take profit target should reside approximately 100 to 150 points away. Examine this illustrative example. The presented signal provides favorable circumstances for initiating a buy trade. We'll execute this trade on the subsequent candle, setting the stop loss at the recent swing low and placing it 100 to 150 points distant for added assurance, a straightforward success. Similarly, observe this sell scenario. Engage in the trade with the inception of a new candle, establish a stop loss at the recent swing high, and target a take profit level around 100 to 150 points away. The indicator's name is Midnight Hunter V.1. If you've persisted to this juncture of the video, you're now privy to the indicator's name. This underscores the significance of watching our videos through to the conclusion. We've subjected this indicator to rigorous back testing, making it one of our most favored tools on the channel. However, there's another indicator of greater potency than this, capable of ensuring success in every single trade. We'll unveil this in our forthcoming video, so be certain to subscribe and activate the bell notifications. Our repository is replete with extraordinary and influential indicators that remain unparalleled on the YouTube platform. Give this indicator a try and share your experiences in the comments section. Until the next video, farewell.